Have you ever dreamt of having your own cottage garden? Picture a tranquil haven brimming with charm and beauty, a place that embodies the essence of simplicity and serenity. That's the allure of a cottage garden. In the next couple of minutes, we will guide you on how to design your very own cottage garden. Designing your cottage garden starts with a plan. It's essential to consider factors such as available space, soil type, and sunlight exposure. These elements significantly influence the success of your garden. Give thought to the types of plants you'd like to showcase. Traditional cottage garden favorites include the romantic roses, fragrant lavender, and charming hollyhocks. These plants not only add beauty, but also bring a sense of nostalgia to your garden. With a well-thought-out plan, you're one step closer to your dream cottage garden. Once you have your design, it's time to prepare your garden. Start by clearing the area, removing any debris, weeds, or old plants. Next, it's time to improve your soil. Add compost or organic matter to enrich it, ensuring your plants will have the nutrients they need to thrive. Finally, set out your layout. Use stakes and strings to mark your pathways and borders. Remember, patience and hard work are key at this stage. With your garden prepared, you're ready to start planting. Now comes the exciting part: planting your garden. Start by selecting healthy plants, ones with lush green foliage and no signs of disease. Then, dig a hole, place your plant in, and fill it back. Remember to water it generously right after. Regular care is key, so ensure to water, weed, and protect your plants from pests. With a little love and attention, you'll see your garden thrive in no time. With your plants in the ground and thriving, your cottage garden is well on its way. Designing a cottage garden might seem like a daunting task, but with careful planning and a bit of hard work, it's an achievable dream. From planning your design to nurturing your plants, the beauty of a serene cottage garden is worth every bit of effort. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.